So should you redesign your website? And if you do, what are some of the SEO consequences of doing such? So a redesign of a website is always a good thing in most cases because it means that you're looking to, update your site, add new images, maybe make the site look a little bit more modern, create a better perception of who you are when users are coming to the website, and hopefully improve conversion, right? So there's a lot of positives with updating your website design. And the other thing too is, when your website looks like a more professional business, there's people that are actually being paid by Google, and they're called Google quality raters that are coming into websites and they're looking at things. And, if you appear to be a little bit more trustworthy in the eyes of the human being that's visiting your site, well, then, that always helps in terms of your ratings when they're looking at your site. So all good things. I definitely encourage you to, keep your website up to date and current. But, with regards to like SEO, usually like if you redesign your website and you take somebody that knows SEO and actually looks at every little change to make sure that, you're not going to, hurt some of your internal links, or you're not going to lose the navigation that you had, or your footer links aren't going to change. In most cases, after you do a design, you'll see like a nice little lift in terms of like rankings. However, if you don't have somebody that's monitoring the website from an SEO perspective and taking a look at everything before you go live with the design, I've seen horror stories where, your site, ranks really high, and all of a sudden you go live with a new design and somebody doesn't know SEO is kind of in control of it. And next thing you know, like you just lose all of your traffic and your investment in SEO. So definitely a good thing to redesign your website, but it's critical to make sure that somebody that knows SEO actually gives the green light to go live with it.